What's up guys, this is Masi, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to write the molecular formula for chromium 3 sulfate. Chromium is Cr and sulfate is SO4, that's the polyatomic ion. The charge for SO4 is 2 minus. Chromium has different charges. In this case we have 3 plus because we have 3 in front of chromium, so it's going to be Cr, and here we have SO4. So 3 is going to sit here and 2 is going to sit here. So it's going to be Cr2 SO4 3. So that's the molecular formula for chromium 3 sulfate, Cr2 SO4 3. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I get back to you as soon as I can.